We have the we have Yash, and he come back with magic. And then when I was talking in the phone, he was still in Estonia. And then something happened. It did like this. And then I was getting off of the chair, and then Yash just come. And then, but the plant is still dying. With my picture and the tsunami waves, there is the wall all broken. Yes, building my Lego, and I have so much Lego. A hard one that's taking forever and ever. Don't know why does he just bought that.
What? You don't know?
What's in my hat? I went from 100 years ago. Now, here, get my title.
You bought it from 100 years?
One that's here forever and ever. Don't know why does he just bought that.
What? You don't know?
What's in my hat? I went from 100 years ago. Now, here, get my title.
You bought it from 100 years?
What am I doing? Oh.
No, I'm not doing to you. Okay. This is my Lego, and yes, she's building it with me. And it breaks all the times. And my mommy's phone here just bring to Ireland and to Portugal. And that iPod, he just coming. And he got that plant and he's dying.
Here, plant.
And this is my baby little chick. And you don't know why it is so small. And it's very cute. You never look at it.
Who is that? Hame mana tu?
Daddy,
Le you tu?
it's surfing.
Ni pidro hibet.
Yeah.
Ni kumno pinang.
And there's big waves and small waves.
Ni.
As the sun is big.
Ni surfing.
Malayong. Why are you taking that gun?
Because I want to shoot everything.
Nee.
Yeah, I will just use that little flower.
Thank you so
Much.
and I love you.
Where's your key?
Thank you, Hame.
Look how handsome
I had some boy.
Jumping on the manhole.